Hello from Topedia. Today in this video we will be reviewing the best floor jacks for your Jeep Wrangler. A floor jack is a must for the maintenance job. You need a dedicated floor jack for lifting or lowering a midsize four-wheel drive off-road vehicle like Jeep Wrangler. But how to choose a reliable option? Choosing the best floor jack for Jeep Wrangler requires a little research and careful inspection. After in-depth analysis, we have rounded up a list of top products. You will find unbiased reviews about these floor jacks in this video. Number 1 in our list is the Arken low-profile floor jack with dual pistons. Are you looking for a lightweight yet sturdy floor jack for your Jeep Wrangler? This Arken floor jack is made from aluminum and steel materials. This makes the unit less heavy than some other options. It weighs only 58 pounds. The car jack comes with a 6,000 pounds lifting capacity. Handling bulky vehicles like Jeep Wrangler or bigger-sized Jeeps will be easygoing. In addition, it has dual pump pistons. You can quickly elevate the car position. The manufacturer added a rubber saddle to safeguard plunger threads from unwanted damage. Its lift range is between 4-inch to 18.5-inch. This floor jack has ASME PASE 2019 safety certification to ensure more reliability. Number 2. Big Red T83006 Touran Hydraulic Floor Jack. The Big Red T83006 floor jack is made from top-grade steel. It can handle extreme forces and lift heavy loads without deteriorating its physical properties. The floor jack comes with 3 tons capacity. 3 tons appear enough for most heavy vehicles as the machine will carry only 60% of the car. This red car jack also features 2 large steel casters to protect the floor while you jack down the vehicle. It also prevents unwanted noise while jacking up and down. Plus, the manufacturer includes 2 360-degree swivel casters for smooth maneuverability. Its lifting range is between 6-inch to 21-inch. The tool seems versatile to use both on and off-road. Number 3 in our list is the ProLift F757G floor jack. This option comes in handy if you are searching for a mid-range floor jack for a compact Jeep Wrangler. The unit comes with a 2-ton lifting capacity. It can handle up to 4,000 pounds weight. This car jack is made of heavy-duty steel to ensure exceptional durability and strength. ProLift F757G has a low-profile design. This ensures simple carry-around and storage. You can keep the machine in your garage, workshop, or even inside the vehicle. The functional jack also comes with front wheels and rear casters. It offers more maneuverability to move the tool at different angles based on work preference. In addition, its bulky swivel saddle allows you to position the jack effortlessly. Not to mention its overload valve bypass system. The tool will not lift anymore once it crosses the limit. Hence, you don't have to be concerned about damaging the car jack or harming yourself. Number 4. Arken A20016/XL2T floor jack. Some vehicle owners may need a floor jack with a very low-profile design to work conveniently below the low ground clearance. Arken A20016 appears to be a perfect solution. You can lift down the jack as low as 2.75 inches and as high as 24 inches. This makes the unit an exceptional choice. Another notable feature of this car jack is its universal joint release mechanism. You can precisely control the tool and set up a particular height depending on your working convenience. Its dual pump pistons allow you rapidly lift the saddle and do the loading task conveniently. Arken A20016 features a 32-inch extra-long chassis that lift up and down the unit effortlessly. You can use a hockey puck between the car jack and the contact point. This will prevent unwanted scratches or damaging the vehicle. Make sure to drag the spring pin between the upper and lower jack handle to make it appropriately engaged from the beginning. Number 5. Jack Boss Hydraulic Floor Jack. Do you prefer a highly portable floor jack? This car jack from Jack Boss is an excellent choice. The unit is made from forged alloyed welded steel. It has decent mechanical properties as well as high strength and ductility. This type of metal is also resistant to corrosion. The Jack Boss Floor Jack comes with 3,300 pounds weightlifting capacity. Its minimum lifting is 5.31 inches, and the maximum is 13.2 inches. You can't use the car jack for bulky vehicles. Average-sized sedans, SUVs, and automobiles suit best for this unit. Jack Boss features a hydraulic system to lift vehicles quickly without forcing too much. You can also utilize the single piston to raise the vehicle position based on your working requirement and achieve a perfect height. Not to mention its built-in internal safety valve to prevent overload. The floor jack will not move above the height once it limits its capacity. It also has a built-in carrying handle to lift the jack position quickly. You can use the handle to carry the unit from one place to another. Now that you have seen our top 5 list of floor jacks for Jeep Wrangler, go ahead and visit our site at topedia.com to see more in-depth reviews and analysis. If you like our videos, please do subscribe and hit the bell button to see future videos. Goodbye and have a nice day.